This half term we've been learning about space.
We have been learning about the planets in our solar system and their order, and have learned a song to help us remember.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! To be a great student, you have to know your work. To know the planets' names, you have to use your brain. It goes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. To be a great student, you have to know your work. To know the planets' names, you have to use your brain. It goes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the closest to the Sun. Out of all the planets, it's the smallest one. Venus is similar to the Earth, but it's different. It's the hardest planet in the solar system. And you live on planet Earth. That's right, the only planet that supports life. Mars is also called a red planet. You couldn't survive because it's filled with carbon dioxide. Jupiter is the Earth 3 times. If you look closely, you can see a small eye. That's a storm. Saturn has one also, but the difference is it shapes like an oval. Uranus is very, very cold. You can't see it with your eyes, you have to use a telescope. Neptune is the farthest from the Sun. It has 14 moons, not just one. To be a great student, you have to know your work. To know the planets' names, you have to use your brain. It goes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. To be a great student, you have to know your work. To know the planets' names, you have to use your brain. It goes Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Brilliant Year 5. Tonight I want you to carry out your own research and see what you can find out about the planets.
Breaking news, we come to you outside of St Edward's RC Primary School, but the Year 5 students are not turned up for school today because they had set themselves out to outer space.
Miss Carla joins us today. Miss, what do you have to say about this remarkable achievement? Year 5 was so interested in our new topic and had so many questions. I told them to go and see what they could find out, but I never expected this. Year 5 have been keeping in touch with a video link. Let's see what they have to say. At St Edward's, the teachers always tell us we can do what we put our minds to. When Miss Carla said go and see what you can find out, I don't think this is what she meant. Let's go and explore.
On our first stop at St Edward's in space takes us to the centre of our solar system.
Sun is the star at the centre of our solar system. 8 planets travel around the sun.
The sun is a ball of burning gas and is very hot, about 27 million degrees Celsius at the core. The sun gives us light and heat. Without the sun, we wouldn't be here.
The sun is Mercury. Mercury is a small rocky planet and it's a lot like our moon. Look, it's covered in craters. Despite being the nearest to the sun, it is not the hottest.
The second planet from the Sun is Venus. Venus is the nearest planet to Earth and wins the title of the hottest planet in the solar system.
It is a small rocky planet covered in a thick layer of yellowish clouds. These clouds are not made up of water like the ones here on Earth. They are made up of poisonous acid which traps the heat from the sun.
The third planet from the sun is Earth. It looks so beautiful from up here.
The Earth is the only planet in our solar system to have life. It is a small rocky planet. Over 3/4 of its surface is covered in water.
The fourth planet from the sun is Mars. Mars is a small rocky planet which is red in colour. Mars also has 2 tiny moons.
It is very cold with strong winds and dust storms. Mars is one of the most explored planets in our solar system. NASA currently have 3 spacecraft in orbit, and it has 1 rover and 1 lander on the surface.
The fifth planet in our solar system is Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system and has more than 75 moons.
If Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter will be the size of a basketball. Jupiter is famous for its great red spot. It is thought to be a storm of swirling gas that is the size of Earth. The sixth planet from our sun is Saturn. Saturn is one of the most beautiful planets in our solar system.
Saturn has 53 known moons with an additional 29 moons awaiting confirmation of their discovery. That is a total of 82 moons. It is also famous for its rings of rocks and ice.
The seventh planet from the sun is Uranus. Did you know it is known as the sideway planet because it spins on its side?
Uranus was discovered in 1781 and takes 84 Earth years to go around the Sun. It is an ice giant and looks blue because of the methane gas covering it.
The eighth planet from the Sun is Neptune. Like Uranus, Neptune also looks blue because of the methane gas covering it.
It is very windy on Neptune. The winds are the fastest in the solar system. It has at least 14 moons named after characters from the Greek mythology.
I'm sure I heard once there used to be another planet around here somewhere.
There was. It was called Pluto and used to be known as the ninth planet in our solar system.
That's right, but it got voted out.
Why?
Pluto is a tiny planet, even smaller than our moon, so it's known as a dwarf planet now instead.
Come on, since we have reached the end of our solar system, we'd best be heading back.
Yeah, we can save the rest for our next adventure.